If you think that young people cannot make a difference in the world, read the selection that answers numbers 1 through 11. Working for the future. Don't tell Craig Kielberg that children don't have the power to make a difference in the world today, because he knows that isn't true. Kielberger grew up in Canada. When he was 12 years old, in 1995, Kielberger was searching for the comic page in the newspaper when he came upon an article about a 12-year-old boy in Pakistan. This boy had been forced to work since he was 4 years old. Kielberger was affected by this stranger's difficult life, and he felt that he had to do something to try to change unfair labor practices in the world. He talked to some of his classmates, and together they started an organization called Free the Children. Free the Children has several goals. One goal is to free children from poverty and unfair labor practices. Another goal is to encourage children everywhere to believe that they can make a difference in the world. When Kielberger speaks to youth groups, he tells them that even the smallest action can have an impact. He explains to young people that they can become leaders and help improve the world. Kielberger speaks with the voice of experience. He has traveled to more than 40 countries to visit children who are forced to work. He shares their stories, speaking out in defense of children's rights. In addition, Kielberger has met with many world leaders, co-written 4 books, and appeared on popular television programs such as 60 Minutes and Oprah to discuss his work. Kielberger believes that education is a critical way to break the cycle of poverty. The organization he founded, Free the Children, has built 350 schools around the world. The group Kielberger started in 1995 now has more than 100,000 youth representatives under 18 years of age from 35 countries. Kielberger says his older brother Mark inspired him to work at making the world a better place. When Mark was 12 years old, he collected signatures for a petition to ban products that were harmful to the environment. Witnessing his brother Mark's passion and involvement in an issue that was important to him showed Craig that it doesn't matter how young a person is. Everyone has something to share, and each person can make a difference. Despite the fact that Craig Kielberger has met many famous people, he says his heroes are the children he has met during his travels because they never give up hope. Kielberger himself has inspired hope in many people whose lives he has touched through his tireless efforts to help.